Well, good morning. It is a little chilly here in North Texas this morning. Not cold by any means. I mean, I don't even have a sweater on, but I do have sweats and a long sleeve shirt on. Oh, and the leaves are falling like it's snowing. I bet my goats are happy about that. Mr. Diego is going to go in the kennel today, which is right there, so the chickens can come out, because he's still not trustworthy with the birds, which I'm not worried about. He will be eventually. The puppies did get neutered this last week, so that's good. Everything went well. They're doing great. You'll see they're perfectly normal. What happened to my feeder? He walks away. He knows. You stinker. You are a stinker. Cute these dang little chickens are. Oh my gosh. They are so cute. You guys are so fine. Which I don't know. They're so cute. This one here is one of the Splash Brahma right there. She's a baby too. She's just a big old Brahma girl. Look at the other ones. They look like chickens, but they're so little. They're so beautiful. So Briar is exceptionally, like, beyond normal crazy over there. So I'm really wondering if I have a doe that's gone back into heat. So let's go look. What's going on, mister? Is there one in particular you're interested in? I really think she's pregnant. He's manhandling me. Yeah, I think she's pregnant. I really do. She's getting so big too. So, and this happened just last week too, where the boy, I think she's got a scent when she urinates. Briar, he's tearing me up. So I'm not gonna let him see how he is. I'm not gonna let him do this. Stop that! Get down! He's killing me. I gotta get out of here. Stop that! All right, now for the fun part. All right, here's little Blossom that got through the gate and was trying to go and get the boys' feed that I brought back over. This little one right here. Even the weather that's right here, he's not interested in her. So it's just crazy man over there. I think when she urinates, she's throwing off quite a scent because she doesn't appear to be unbred to me, and she's looking like she should. Now, here's Bree, and she isn't as far along as the other girls because she did go into one of those in between 10 days heat things, but that's been a while ago, so she's moving right along. Now Bristol, that's right here, she's looking very good too. She had twins last time, beautiful twins. One was polled, or were they both polled? One had brown eyes, one had blue eyes, and they were both polled. She had been with Samson, and I believe this time she was with Briar, so there's no chance of any polled babies or blue eyes because neither of them have. But Bree was with Samson the second time that she went into heat most of the day. So I'm really hoping that she does have Samson's babies because he's blue-eyed and polled, and she usually gives us gorgeous kids from him. Although she was with Briar last year when she gave 2 huge bucks, and they weren't blue-eyed or polled, but one was Couclair, gorgeous. Now my Bliss right here, she's the second freshener this time. She had a single last time, absolutely gorgeous. She was with Briar last year, and she had a blue-eyed polled baby because she's blue-eyed and polled. But this year she was with Bobby. She was with Bobby for a few days, her and my little Breeze right here. Breeze was with Bobby for that same couple days they were together, and she's not looking as thick as Blossom is, but she is most definitely looking as she should, and hasn't been into any heat or anything like that since you know, the breeding. So I mean, you can see how wild it gets if the boys think they're in heat. They're not even in heat. They're just throwing off a smell when they urinate. And it causes all kinds of chaos. So, yeah, Blossom's over here. The one that Briar thought he needed to breed. And all she's interested in is eating. So she's a fuzz anyway. She's so fine. Look at this girl. She's so fine. So she's probably going on only about 7 weeks. You know, so you're not going to see huge baby bumps or anything, but they look like they should as far as being pregnant. You know, their bottoms are swollen, like not, you know. And so that's all going well. Now, Bree has had triplets twice, so hopefully we get some triplets with her and Samson this next time too, and they're polled and blue-eyed, or mostly, or whatever. So anyway, that's what's going on with the girls. I hope I get at least 2 gorgeous girls from Bristol again. She had 2 beautiful doelings last year, and my Bliss had 1 gorgeous doeling last year, but she was amazingly perfect. Oh, and here's little Breeze. She's a snuggle bugs. Hello, gorgeous. Hello, beautiful girl. Yeah, she's so fine. She's so fine. Betty's always like that. She's the queen. She can fool you too, that one, because she's got reproductive issues. Betty, that poor thing. But look at how nice and deep Blossom is, and rounding. She's getting so deep and round. I've never had a first freshener have more than one. It would be so cool if Blossom did, just based on how large she's looking already. There's little Breeze over there. Breeze! Hi, baby. See, you can kind of sort of see the changing in their figures. I definitely can. And if you look back at some older videos, just from even a couple, like a month ago, you can see the changes really well. She's so gorgeous. See her little broken horn because she had it stuck when we were gone. She got it wedged. That's what I really hate about horns. Look at how pretty she is. That's the little update on these does. Briar's still nuts, but he hasn't been trying to tear the place apart. He just thinks I'm his girlfriend too. So he digs on me and blubbers at me, and I have to stay away from him because I'm sure I'm going to have bruises on my back where he was pawing at me, you know. And I have some more chores I need to do, so I'm going to get busy on those. I'll show you an update photo on my little man, Bobby, how grown up and gorgeous he's looking. I'm watching the girls. Yeah, he's interested in anybody that's near the fence, including BJ, including the weather. Blossom is kind of big for her. Yeah, she's gotten really round. Let's see. She and Bliss and Bristol, most of them are due the end of February. It's Bree that's due like a week into March. So I figure after Christmas sometime we're going to start being able to feel babies moving. So they're getting into their pregnancies, and they're starting to really look like it. So it's really fun. I love it when they do all the changing. Let me tell you what, they're starving every second. It's not just it's the winter, I'm hungry, I need to put on weight kind of eating. It's pregnant girl starving. So they're getting extra sweet feed, and their goat balancer I add to it so that they have all their vitamins and stuff. And yeah, Briar's nuts, but nobody else is acting nuts, so even the other two bucks. So that little Blossom is so pretty. Her and Betty are having. Blossom has never been one to take it. She, even as a little one, she would let the Betty, who's a pygmy, not a Nigerian, and we don't even know what BJ is. He's a pygmy cross something. But they would try to knock Blossom away from the food and whatnot when she was a baby and got here. and she wouldn't let him. So she doesn't stand for being knocked around. My Breezy, though, she will wait until they're done, and then she'll go eat whatever they left on the ground. So a lot of times I'll give 2 places that have hay so that the other girls can have a fair shot at, yeah, my little Blossom there is looking quite round. She's beautiful. She's doing well. Mama Bree. All right, I have other chores I need to get to that absolutely won't interest you. So I'm going to get to those, and we will keep you updated on the carryings on around here with the does changing and when we feel babies, and I'm sure I'll be back before Thanksgiving. So really fill in and get a beard and a longer mane, and oh my gosh, he is so beautiful. Hello, mister. Hello, mister. Boopy.